Home Remedies presents How to Fall Asleep in 60 Seconds. If you want to end the midnight wake-ups and sleepless nights for good, you should give this remedy a try. The remedy I will share with you in today's video is called Sleepy Dust. Sleepy Dust is an excellent remedy for getting back to sleep. This remedy is a lifesaver for those suffering from insomnia, which is not just the inability to fall asleep, but the inability to stay asleep too. Why you are waking up? There is a reason why your eyes snap open at 3 a.m. You are stressed. I mean, literally, you are having a biochemical reaction to excessive amounts of stress hormones floating throughout your poor body that's trying to sleep. In a healthy body with a healthy metabolism, hormone levels cycle moderately through highs and lows throughout the 24-hour cycle, what's known as your circadian rhythms. When you have a stressed metabolism, natural peaks of stress hormone levels spike to abnormal highs, initiating a stress response. When this happens at night, it seriously disrupts sleep patterns and often causes you to wake up, often leaving you so weird up that you are unable to fall back asleep. What's the solution? Believe it or not, something as simple as a hit of sugar and salt can send those stress hormones packing and get you back on track to a better night's sleep. How to make a sleepy dust? Here's what you need. 5 tablespoons organic cane sugar. I like this kind as it's not bleached or heavily refined and is fair trade. 1 tablespoon sucanat. This is completely unrefined sugarcane juice with all minerals intact. 2 teaspoons real sea salt. All the ingredients links I have given in the description box and pinned comment. If you face difficulty to find them, you can purchase from there. My recommendation specifically for this remedy is to buy the linked items as they are exactly made for this remedy. How to make it? Put the mixture in a small container and shake well. Now keep this handy by your bed where you can easily reach it in the middle of the night. To use it, just keep a small spoon nearby and scoop a tiny bit out, then let it dissolve under your tongue to get it straight into your bloodstream. How to use it? You can use it before you go to bed to de-stress and get ready for sleep. For wake-ups between 2 to 4 a.m. accompanied by a feeling of excess adrenaline circulating through your system, adrenaline peaks at this time. Get a pinch of the salt and sugar under the tongue. This puts you back to sleep in no time. Keep this mixture by the bedside for easy and thoughtless access until you stop having middle of the night wake-ups. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.